After we know what you're billed for, we're going to check, are you billed accurately? So to check if you're billed accurately, we're going to look at pricing. Is your unit price on the invoice the same as your unit price on the purchase order, or is it within the tolerance that you say is okay? We're going to look at extended amount, because if you have a large quantity and a very small unit price, your extended amount can be off by a lot, even if your unit price is only off by a penny. And so we're also going to check that extended amount. We're also going to check your receiving. And based on the questionnaire that you sent through, the pain points you sent through, receiving sounds like it is definitely an area that needs some attention and a little bit of assistance.